Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a comment I received on a previous video. In that video, I said that you can't install a custom splash image made for Xiaomi devices on a OnePlus 6T. One viewer, Hamlin Beach, commented that they were actually able to flash a custom splash image on their OnePlus 9 Pro. They said it worked alongside a custom boot animation too, so who's right? Let's find out. In this video, I'm going to try flashing a custom splash image on my OnePlus 6T. We'll see if it works, and if not, we'll explore why. Alright, so first things first, I've already downloaded the custom splash image and transferred it to my desktop. Now, I'm going to boot my OnePlus 6T into fast boot mode. If you're not familiar with how to do that, I'll leave a link in the description below that shows you how to do it. Perfect, so now my OnePlus 6T is in fast boot mode. I've also opened up a terminal window on my desktop where I have the custom splash image stored. Now, according to the commenter, all I need to do is type in the command fastboot flash splash followed by the name of the splash image file, so here goes. Well, that seems to have flashed successfully. However, when I reboot my OnePlus 6T, it looks like the custom splash image isn't there. So, it seems like the commenter might be mistaken. Flashing a custom splash image designed for a Xiaomi device doesn't seem to work on a OnePlus 6T. Alright folks, so there you have it. While the comment said that flashing a custom splash image should work on a OnePlus 6T, it doesn't seem to be the case. If you're looking to customize the look of your OnePlus 6T, there might be other methods available, but flashing a custom splash image like we tried today doesn't seem to be one of them. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or requests, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get back to you.